This is my newest purchase, the Miyabi Artisan SG2 knife series. And this is a 7-piece set. I'm going to be unboxing it now. I found out that they have glue underneath this tab. So when you're trying to open the box, you need to grab a little knife and cut the glue off so you can get this open. I was struggling to get this box open, but here's okay. So we've got one, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 slot block made out of bamboo. Miyabi symbol. And our knives. Some kitchen shears. I have some Zwillings like these that are very nice. Care and instructions. Looks like quite a few different languages. Sharpening or honing steel. And the 4 knives that come with this set. This is the paring knife. Ooh. And the santuko. And the 8-inch chef knife. Very sharp. The santuko is a 7-inch. And I believe the paring knife is 3.5. Doesn't really say. At least that I can read. 3.5 it does say. And so this will be the bread knife. Oh, that one's all right. I don't, no tape. All right. I didn't really actually have a bread knife, but it's a cheapie, so I'm not disappointed I got this, but it wasn't really why I purchased it. Okay, so I'm going to have to use one of the upper ones for this. Because it's the longer blade. I purchased the Artisan Series based on the steel type, the SG2, which is a harder steel. And the handle. I tried a number of different handles. The octagon, the round, typical Japanese handles. Tried a couple of shuns. Actually, I tried 4 different shuns. And this one felt the best in my hand. And so, between the steel and the feel and the price was nice too, based on the harder steel and the handle. This is what I got, and I'm really happy.